Hey guys, welcome to ASA Technical. In today's video, I will show you how to set a BIOS password. But more importantly, I will explain why you actually need it. Most people skip this, but it can seriously protect your system. And also, I will show you how to reset or disable it safely. So make sure you watch till the end because the reset part is something many people struggle with. So let's get started. As you know, BIOS or UEFI is the first system that runs when you turn on your PC. It controls hardware, boot process, and system level settings. So, if someone gets access to BIOS, they basically get deep control over your computer. Basically, it adds an extra layer of security before your OS even loads. Note, if you forget your BIOS password, it's not like resetting a normal password. It can be very difficult and something risky, so always remember it or store it safely. To set BIOS password, first restart your PC and press the BIOS keys like delete, F2, F10 or escape. Actually, this depends on your laptop brand, so try these keys if one doesn't work. Also, you can check your device manufacturer's information for BIOS key. Once you are inside BIOS, use your keyboard arrows key to navigate. Look for a tab called Security or sometimes Boot or Advanced. Every BIOS looks a bit different. So don't worry if your BIOS isn't exactly the same. Now find options like Set Supervisor Password, Set Admin Password or just Set Password. Click on it. Then enter your new password. Confirm it again. Make sure you remember this password. If you forget it, it can be very hard to reset. After setting the password, go to Save and Exit. Select Save Changes and Exit. Your computer will restart. Now your BIOS is protected with a password. To check if it's worked, restart your PC again. Try entering BIOS. You should now be asked for the password you just set, as you can see. Don't share your BIOS password with others. Write it down somewhere safe. Avoid using very simple passwords. However, if you want to remove the BIOS password, enter BIOS again. Go to Security Settings. Now select Change Password or Remove Password. Note, some systems may have a separate options like Clear Password, Disable Supervisor Password. Enter your current password. Now leave the new password field blank and confirm. This will disable the BIOS password. After disabling the password, go to Save and Exit. Now select Save Changes and Exit. Your computer will restart. Now as you can see, the BIOS password is removed successfully. Resetting a BIOS password is tricky and depends on your system. Also, only do this on your own device. If you want, you can check out our channel. There's available some tutorials on how to reset BIOS password if forgotten. And don't try random methods from the internet. They can damage your system and void warranty, so be careful. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.